Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to change profile picture in RedNote. So if you also want to change profile picture in RedNote, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open RedNote application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here RedNote application has been opened. Initially you'll be in the home interface. So if you want to change the profile picture, it is actually very simple. For that you'll have to go to your profile interface. So simply tap on the me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to see your account. You'll be able to find several options over here. You can see my profile picture right now. So if you want to change the profile picture, what you have to do is tap on the profile option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find your profile information over here. You'll be able to find the information regarding your name, RedNote ID, bio, gender, etc. At top you'll be able to see your profile picture. So if you want to change your profile picture, simply tap on the profile picture. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the photos over here. So simply tap on the profile picture that you want to upload. You can select which part of the photo you want to add as profile picture. After that, what you have to do is tap on this button that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here your profile picture will be changed. You can also change your profile picture from other ways. Simply go back. So from this interface also you'll be able to change the profile picture. Right over here you'll be able to see the profile picture. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, from here too you'll be able to change the profile picture. You'll be able to find the options like upload new avatar, create AI avatar, get avatar accessory. So if you want to upload a new profile picture, simply tap on the option upload new avatar. Now you can see over here, from here too you'll be able to change the profile picture. Simply follow the same steps that we followed earlier. So that is how you change profile picture on RedNote. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.